Starting university can be both exciting and overwhelming. There are so many questions. What will I study? What is university study like? What study strategies should I use? And where can I get support? To help answer these questions and many more, we have created Uni Ready, designed by students like me to help students like you. This toolkit will help you navigate starting university study and to thrive as a university student. Think of Uni Ready as a choose-your-own adventure. You can explore the content in any order, at your own pace, whenever needed. You'll find animations, tips and tricks, and student stories from those of us who have walked in your shoes, all there to make starting university study as smooth as possible. Let me show you how. To help you get a hang of Uni's more independent style of learning, we'll cover the differences between studying at university compared to high school. You'll learn to enhance your study techniques and sharpen your time management skills. We'll introduce you to the kinds of language, formats, and conventions that you'll encounter as a student and give you the tools you'll need to ace your assessments. You will learn why thinking critically is so important. Whether you study law, engineering, design, or medicine, evaluating evidence, interrogating assumptions, and backing up your arguments are crucial skills that underpin all academic success. Don't forget that you're not on this journey alone. We'll walk you through how to find academic help and the right folks to turn to for support. Like me, I'm sure your transition to university will come with its many incredible moments and its fair share of challenges. As you set off on the next part of your journey, take Uni Ready with you along for the ride to help build your confidence and succeed at university.